Peripheral vision power, strengthening sight with a wide gaze from tunnel vision to panoramic sight, expanding your visual field for better eye health. Break free from the constraints of a narrow visual field that leads to eye strain and deteriorate vision. Discover the path to panoramic sight where every glance involves eye muscle working in harmony. Learn the simple yet impactful practices to train your eyes for a wider gaze, ensuring improved blood flow, reduced toxins accumulation, and a richer, more detailed view of the world around you. Today we've diving into how narrow field of view not only limits what we see, but can also strain our eyes far more than we realize. By adapting a wide gaze, we can significantly improve our vision. Let's explore why this matters and how to make the change. Understanding your visual field. The visual field refers to the total area in which object can be seen. As you focus your eyes on a central point, daily life often restricts this field through working on small screens, living in tight spaces, or simply not paying attention to our peripheral vision. This limited field can strain our eyes due to reduced eye muscle mobility, leading to poor blood circulation and ultimately deteriorating vision. The benefits of a wide gaze. Looking with a wide gaze means actively using your peripheral vision, which can significantly expand your visual field. This expansion is not just about seeing more, it's about engaging more of your eye muscle in a healthy way. When you look wide, eye muscle train and rest simultaneously. As you shift your gaze, different eye muscle work while other relax, enhancing blood flow and preventing eye fatigue. Improved blood circulation. A wider visual field encourages more eye movement, enhancing blood flow circulation through the capillaries and reducing the risk of stagnations. Enhance brain function. With more visual information to process, the brain's capacity to interpret visual data improves, making your overall vision sharper and more dynamic. The downside of a narrow visual field. A narrow field of view does more harm than good. It limits eye muscle activity, leading to sluggish blood flow and accumulation of toxins. Furthermore, it reduces the lens vibrancy and the brain's ability to process visual information, leading to a cycle of deteriorating eyesight. Check out the Eyesight Academy course and explore practical eye exercises for daily habits to expand your visual field, reduce eye strain, and unlock eye focus clarity in your sight. How to expand your visual field. To combat the constraints of a narrow gaze and embrace the benefits of a wide one, here are a few practical steps. Consciously include peripheral vision. Make a habit of noticing and including objects in your peripheral vision, even when focused on a task. Practice eye exercises. Engage in eye exercises that encourage you to use your peripheral vision, such as tracing patterns or scanning environments without moving your head. Take breaks. Regularly look away from close tasks to gaze into the distance, allowing your eyes to relax and reset eye focus. In conclusion, shifting from a narrow to a wide gaze is not just about seeing more, it's about actively improving your eye health and your overall quality of life. This simple yet effective habit can lead to significant improvements in your eyesight.